Welcome guys to 2023. Below are 5 ways to make money this year. 1. Start a business. Starting a business can be a fulfilling and exciting way to make a living. It allows you to be your own boss, pursue your passions, and potentially make a positive impact on others. However, it also requires hard work, dedication, and the willingness to take risks. You will need to identify a product or service to sell, create a business plan, and figure out how to finance and market your business. It is also important to consider issues such as location, staffing, and legal requirements. 2. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a way to potentially grow your wealth over the long term. It involves buying and holding shares of publicly traded companies, with the hope that the value of these shares will increase. However, it is important to understand that the stock market carries inherent risks, and that the value of your investments can go up or down. It is important to diversify your portfolio, do your research, and seek professional advice if needed. 3. Participate in the gig economy. The gig economy offers flexibility and the opportunity to work on your own terms. It involves taking on temporary or flexible jobs, often through a platform or app. Examples of gig economy jobs include ride sharing, food delivery, and home services. However, it is important to understand that gig economy work may not offer the same level of stability and benefits as traditional employment. It is also important to be aware of any tax implications and potential liability issues. 4. Rent out a room on Airbnb. Airbnb allows people to list their homes or rooms for short-term rental, providing an opportunity to earn extra money and potentially meet interesting people from around the world. However, it is important to understand any legal or regulatory requirements for renting out your home or room, as well as any insurance considerations. 5. Sell products or services online. Online platforms and marketplaces such as Etsy, eBay, and Fiverr offer the opportunity to reach a wide audience and potentially earn money by selling products or services. To sell online, you will need to create a seller account, list your products or services, and handle shipping and customer service. It is important to understand any fees or commissions associated with selling on these platforms and to follow any relevant laws and regulations. Thanks you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.